So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy American stocks or US listed stocks inside of your TFSA or your tax-free savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once the app's opened up, on the bottom bar, select the magnifying glass. Then once you're on this page right here, you can either go to the top and search up an American stock if you're choosing. So if I did Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, I can select that. Or what you can do, which I will do right now, is select all categories. How about I go ahead and select automotive right here, and where it says all CAD or USD, you want to go ahead and press USD, and these are going to be the US listed ones. So we're going to go ahead and select Ford in this example. So let's say you wanted to invest in Ford or another American stock. Make sure it's up right here. Then go to the bottom left and select where it says select an account. Make sure that your TFSA or your tax-free savings account is selected, and then go to the bottom right and press trade, and then press buy. So once you're on this page right here, you can go to the top right and change the order type. So for simplicity, I will just select markets. Once you're here, you can go ahead and I'll just say if I wanted to do $1 of this, it'll show me how much shares. And if this looks good, I will then press review. Once you're on this page right here, you can then review the order. If you want to buy this inside of your TFSA, make sure under account your TFSA is selected. Since this is an American stock, it'll show you how much USD it is, as well as what it'll be in Canadian dollars due to the exchange rate. And if this looks good, go to the bottom. For me, it says queue order because the market's closed, or you can go ahead and proceed with the transaction by pressing this button if the market is open. So that is how you guys can buy an American stock or a US listed stock inside of your TFSA here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.